Hey guys, come couponing with me this week at Walmart, and using only your phone, I'm going to show you how you can complete some super cheap and easy Ibotta rebates. This is the bonus that I'm going for, $5 when I get 15 rebates. So I have the cheapest and easiest rebates that you can do. We're going to be grabbing everything, and our final cost is going to be less than $5. We also have a ton of different food deals, coffee deals, you name it. So stay tuned in this video, especially if you have a similar Ibotta bonus that you're trying to complete. I'm going to show you all the deals that you guys can do. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown. You guys can change the breakdown. Just click file, make a copy so you can edit it for yourself. Keep in mind, rebate apps do vary. So if I have $1 back, you could have 50 cents back, or I could have 50 cents and you could have $1. So it could make it even better. So you always want to make sure that you double check your rebates before you go to the store. Make sure they didn't expire, make sure the price is right for it to be a good stock up price for you. And if you want to learn step by step my system for exactly how I find the best deals, how I'm able to save over 75% every month. Last month, I saved on average 84% on every single thing that my family needs. I got a ton of diapers, paper products, laundry products, cleaning supplies, hand soap, personal care, literally you name it. I saved on average 84%. And you guys know I haven't used a paper coupon since 2023. So I have a completely free live coupon class. I'm going to be teaching you step by step my exact system. So the link will be below in the description box, or you can go to briecouponqueen.com/class to be able to register. It's going to be hosted on Zoom. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're in a different time zone, make sure you count backwards to know exactly when it is. I'll send out a text reminder as well with the Zoom link once you register, so that way you don't miss it. I do have a Q&A at the end. So whenever you are having struggles with, whatever you're having trouble with, if you have questions about anything couponing related, please bring them so that way I can help you guys on your couponing journey. Let's head inside now and take advantage of some incredible deals, freebies, money makers, and ways to just get a ton of products for less than $5 out of pocket. We're gonna start with quite a few deals on coffee and K-Cups this week. So the first deal is on the Cinnamon Dulce. There's a vanilla option as well, or I think a third option. The 22 count at my store is on rollback for $15.24. My store does not carry the 10 count, but that is included as well. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back, makes it $12.24 for a 22 count, which is a great deal. The next one is on the Cafe Verona or the Holiday Blend. Again, 10 count or 22 count at $15.24 for this one. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back, makes it $12.24. Next, we have a Dunkin' deal. So you can grab the K-Cups, the 10 count here, or you can grab the coffee grounds. This one is $9.67. Submit to Ibotta for $4.25 back, makes it $5.42. Another amazing deal. Next deal I'm super excited about because it's a huge moneymaker, but I'm nervous about because I think I'm gonna eat them all in one thing. I absolutely love cookies. It is definitely my Achilles heel. Grab these spooky ones. It has to be these, not these. They're $3.38. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. Then you're gonna submit to the spookyzoocash.com. There's a $5 rebate, which they'll give you $5 cash back to like your Venmo or something like that. Makes it free and a $3.12 moneymaker. I saw this deal on Ohio Valley Couponers, so shout out to Nick. He does an amazing job. If you don't follow him yet, definitely do so. The next deal is on Pillsbury products. My son loves bread, crescent rolls, the whole 9 yards. He loves biscuits too. So another thing you can grab is the smaller ones here. You can do the butter taste-in, you can do the flaky layers. You could even grab this one here. It's a little bit more expensive. These are cheaper at $1.82 each. Grab two. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy two. Makes them $1.32 a piece, so not a bad deal. Next deal I'm picking up is on the Berry Light. So I keep getting offers from the Aisle Rebate texting app because I keep buying it because my son loves it. So this time it's on the acai berry. Last time it was on the fruit punch. So you always want to make sure that you're scanning the products on the Ibotta app to make sure that the rebate popped up. I scanned this one originally because the last like 3 rebates was on only the fruit punch flavor. This one's only on the acai berry. So I'm gonna grab 2, submit to Ibotta for $1.25 each. Then on the Aisle texting app, I'm gonna get buy one, get one free. So I'll get $3.46 back. Makes it 96 cents for 2 of them. Next deal is on the A&D. It has to be this antimicrobial hydrogel spray for $6.97. Submit to Ibotta, you'll get 50% back, which is $3.50. Then submit to the Fetch Rewards app for $2 back, which is 2,000 points.
Makes your final cost $1.47. Next deal is on the Glade warmer. So there's only one left. It was actually up here. I had a very tall gentleman to help me get it down. So always make sure that you check up there. These are now $1.97. They used to be $1.78. Ibotta is giving you $1.78 back. So it's not exactly a freebie, but it's a very, very cheap deal to help you get towards your bonuses. So I'm gonna pick it up. Next is an incredible deal on these Fancy Feast appetizers. You're gonna grab 5 of them. They're $1.28 each. You'll get 50 cents cash back each on Ibotta. Then you'll get a 50-cent bonus because you grabbed at least 4 of them. Plus, if you do this bonus, click the clickable link that's there. When you sign up for the Purina app and you register with the same email that you have registered for your Ibotta account, you'll get a $2 bonus. That's gonna make your final cost $1.40 for all 5 of them. And that is 5 rebates towards your bonus as well. So I'm definitely grabbing this. I don't even own cats, but I'm gonna be donating this to the local animal shelter. Next deal I'm doing is on the Dial antibacterial. I'm gonna grab this one so I can get ready for the holidays. It's $2.47. This one works as well. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. The limit is 1. Makes your final cost $1.97. The next deal is on these Cocoa Classics. They are 72 cents each. You can grab up to 5 for 15 cents cash back each on Ibotta. Makes them 57 cents a piece. Super cheap deal. I need 3 more to hit my bonus, so I'm gonna try a couple different flavors.
Okay, we are back in from Walmart. Everything went great. I'm so excited that there were so many food deals, number one. I'm also super excited how cheap everything was, like all of the cheap rebates. Like, we love that. Typically, when I'm putting together my Walmart Ibotta deals, obviously first I look for products that I actually need or products I'm gonna eat, like the crescent rolls for my son, things like that first. Then if I need a couple more rebates to be able to hit a bonus or something to make it even more worth it for me, what I do is I look for deals where the cost after the cash back is like $1 or less is typically what I do. That's how I'm able to get like the cheapest deals. So everything wound up costing $35.31. So you do pay that out of pocket, but you're getting cash back from a bunch of different rebate apps. That's why I say your final cost out of pocket is less than $5 for all of these deals. So let's go over all the cash back. So I submitted to Ibotta first. I got $13.73 back, plus the $2 bonus for the Purina app that I went ahead and downloaded. 50-cent bonus for the Fancy Feast deal, $5 midweek bonus. Then I submitted to Fetch Rewards, got $2 back. I submitted for the Spooky rebate. You're gonna go to spookyzoocash.com. You're gonna be able to submit your receipt. So you're gonna type in your email, take a photo of your receipt, then you're gonna register your personal information, choose Venmo, PayPal, or an actual physical check. I don't recommend doing the check because it could always get lost in the mail and I have no idea how you would contact anybody. So I did Venmo, I think, and then you're gonna put your phone number if you do Venmo, fill out the details and submit it. And then it should get back to you within like a day or 2 is what it said. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted when I do get my cash back. And then the Aisle app I submitted and got $3.46 back for the buy one, get one free deal. So in total, we got $31.69 cash back. So let's go home. We're gonna enter everything into our digital budget spreadsheet. It's super easy to use. It takes you 45 seconds and that way you can track your spending easily and know exactly how much you're saving. So we're gonna do it together. Let's go home. So now that we're home, you're gonna take 45 seconds. You're gonna open your digital budget spreadsheet. If you guys don't have access to this yet, you get it included in my Everyday Savings Club on top of the private Facebook group, on top of the top 40 digital coupon deals every single week. So if you guys want more info or if you guys want to join, go to briecouponqueen.com/club. So you're going to open the digital budget spreadsheet. What I do is put the date. Then in the drop down, you're going to select Walmart. Sale price, this is going to be the exact same for both of these. So it's going to be your out of pocket. It includes the taxes. Then the Walmart one is really easy. No gift cards or anything like that. Total cash back, you're adding up all the cash back that you got. It was $31.69. And then no rewards back either. Our final cash cost for all of those products, some of the products I needed for my son, was less than $4. $3.62. Like, are you kidding me? That is so exciting. We saved almost 90% today at Walmart. So if you want to learn step by step exactly how I put together my deals, find the best deals on all the products that my family uses. So you can do the same thing for your family, whether you like Tide or Persil or Gain, or maybe you like Charmin or Cottonelle, whatever the case may be. Come to my free live masterclass. I'm breaking down my step-by-step system, the exact system that I use every single week to be able to find these deals and share them with you guys. So click the link here. You guys can register. It's going to be this Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll get the